Hi there, I'm Siu On, a prompt engineer all the way from Singapore. Today, I will let you in on a cool tool I've been messing around with. It's APIs from Cohere. Back in the day, to learn about new APIs without something called a large language model, I had to rely on search engines to shift through a ton of info. Another way was to skim through examples, but that's old news. Today, we will learn about how to build a question answering app using these Cohere APIs, ChatGPT style. Here's the game plan. First, ask ChatGPT to check out these links. Once it's done, we will ask it to perform this task. Break down the process of creating a question answering app. This app will take up to 3 URLs and answer any follow-up questions using information from these sources. Share an example of question answering app using some code snippets. Share where it is getting our info from for this whole process. Let's get started. Here are the prompts for the game plan. I will copy and paste to ChatGPT. For this demonstration, I will use GPT-4 with a plugin that will allow access of web pages. Here it is. It's now processing the web pages. The first one is completed and it's processing the second URL. And here is the response from ChatGPT. Is almost going to complete. Okay, let's review the response from ChatGPT. And based on our prompts, here is the step-by-step process in creating the question answering app. First step is get the user document or the external information. Second, process the document and information. Third, creating an embedded function. Fourth is embed the question and the document. Fifth is perform a summary search. Sixth is generating a response. If you want to review the response, you may slow down the video or try the prompt yourself using ChatGPT. And in this example, I'm not sure about embedding functions. And here's another prompt to explain about embedding function. Okay, let's look at the response from ChatGPT. So based on the information that we have shared, embedding is a process of converting text into a numerical representation that can be understood by machine learning models. In the context of natural language processing, embeddings are used to capture semantic information about words and sentences. And there are more. And here's an example of using Embed API by Cohere. You may try to prompt yourself or slow down this video. Alright. Feel free to throw in more questions or prompts if you want. Now, to spice things up, how about a challenge? Let's create a question answering app for a specific region or domain. Since I'm in Singapore, what about a multi-language ChatGPT for ASEAN? Or maybe a ChatGPT for healthcare? If you're up for joining in on this challenge, give me a shout and thank you.